ready? Alright, everyone, put your hands or heads down, arms up, eyes closed. Mr. Terrorist, go ahead and put your thumbs up and take a peek-see at each other. Don't make any fucking sound. And then now you can put your thumbs down. Everyone, arms down, heads up.
Someone's over here legit like...
Alright, let's go.
He didn't, did he count down?
Yeah, we're already starting.
Oh, Zach, don't do that. I swear. Thank you. Just sit down. No, dog.
I don't know if I can trust you. You want to make a traitor's truth? Where if you're the traitor, you have to kill me last?
What was that, bitch?
You can't shoot me. That's a traitor's truth, right? Alright, so.
You were about to shoot each other?
No, not me and George, man.
You and who?
Yeah, that's our traitor's truth.
I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said.
Hey, we're cool. No. He's the detective. Uh-oh. I would watch Tanner. He might try to shoot me on my way down.
Jordan, please. Can we just... I want to shake your hand and show you. Why?
I'm innocent. I made a traitor's truce with Jordan, so he can't kill me until the last one.
Christian doesn't trust me. I will. No, I'm just saying I don't want to be in direct line of sight of him because he's gonna fucking shoot me.
So I'm no matter what an innocent. I would not put your gun away. Jordan, if you're coming to kill my if you're coming to kill the cop, alright.
I'm not doing anything. Just look for the egg.
Where's Tanner?
It's me. Stop.
It's me.
Why?
Because you're corrupt. Whoa! I didn't want to hurt you, Tanner. Is it AJ? Yeah, he's dead. Interrogate him. Or get his card or whatever the fuck you say.
I am a terrorist.
Zach? I would get into some cover. I don't know where he is. Oh, he's right over there. I'm gonna run around. Mr. Martin, are you innocent? Oh, you're fucking dead? Bro. stop aiming it at me.
Was he aiming at me?
It was aiming at my face.
Wait, no, he's not.
Alright, you guys ready? Everyone, heads down, arms up, eyes closed. Terrorists, go ahead and lift your head up and your thumb up and take a peek at each other. Alright, do a little kiss, make some noise. Alright, now everyone put your thumbs down, heads down, or arms down. Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, don't do that. Wait, why are you pointing at me if you trust me?
I don't like Jordan can come over here, but I don't know about Tanner and Casey. Casey, I don't like you being down there. Casey is out in the open.
Casey, you know, I don't think it's Casey.
So what, you think it's them?
I don't think it's Casey.
Can we bring Casey over here? Should we not bring Casey? Don't do that. Don't do that. Take your gun.
You're the cop, we need you. You're doing push-ups against the fucking cylinder thing. Bang bang. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah. Edges on the right. Are you hit?
Zach's in the middle. Is he hit? Alright, I'm gonna move left, Tanner.
I need to reload.
Oh, you need to reload? Okay, I'll stay here with you. He's right in the middle. Watch your head. He's on left. Left, middle, kind of. Oh!
Keep his attention on you.
I'm doing little pop shots. The terrorist ruled this bitch!